Hello and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be giving you a tour of this fantastic Volkswagen Touran R-Line finished in a stunning Caribbean blue paint. This is the 1.5 litre petrol that's covered over 3,000 miles from new. On the front of the car we've got the unique R-Line badging, got your 18-inch alloy wheels, also got the R detailing on the side. As an additional option to this car, it also comes with an electric glass sliding panoramic sunroof, which is perfect for the current weather. Got your rear tinted windows. I'll just take you around to the back of the car. Opening up the boot. We've got the two chairs in the back that you can push down if you ever needed more space for storage in the boot. Got some more storage under here. This car also has an electric tailgate closing, so it's perfect for when you've got your hands full. So moving to the rear passengers, we've got lots of space in here. And then we've also got some extra seats in the back. So it's an ideal large family car. Got some tables on the back of the seats. Got your aircon. And we've also got your Isofix down here too. So we'll jump in and I'll show you the front interior. So as you can see, the seats are finished off in a lovely race cloth. It's a really nice interior. And this car comes with your touchscreen display with your DAB digital radio for your music needs. Adjust the volume just here. This car also comes with App Connect to connect your smartphone. This car also comes with parking sensors to help you park your new car. Moving down, we've got your 3-zone climate control to keep everyone comfortable on the journey. We have a USB port down there. Your automatic gearbox with your electronic park brake and auto hold. So I'll just give you a close-up of the detail on the passenger seat. Okay, so moving around, we've got your multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. Got your lights. And then this car also has the electric glass panoramic sunroof, which floods lots of light into the car. As you can see, when the roller blind goes all the way back. And then we've also got your emergency SOS. If you would like any more information on this car, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.